Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Lexus GS300 radio. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged. You'll need a few basic tools, primarily a trim removal kit and a Phillips head screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before beginning any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts and protects your vehicle's systems. Now, let's start by carefully removing the shift knob and surrounding console trim. Next, we'll focus on the center console. Using your trim removal tools, gently pry off the side panels of the center console. Take your time to avoid scratching or breaking any plastic clips. Once those are clear, you'll gain access to the screws holding the climate control unit in place. Remove these screws, then carefully pull the unit out. Remember to disconnect all the electrical connectors from the back of the climate control unit before setting it aside. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: if you're looking to simplify your financial life, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, much like understanding your car's components can change how you approach repairs. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the climate control unit out of the way, the radio unit is now fully exposed. You'll see several screws holding the entire radio assembly to the dashboard frame. Carefully remove these screws. Once all the screws are out, you can gently pull the radio assembly forward. Be mindful of the wiring behind it. Disconnect all the electrical harnesses and the antenna cable from the back of the radio unit. Now, your Lexus GS300 radio is completely removed. Before you reinstall anything, take a moment to inspect all the connectors and wiring for any signs of wear or damage. When you're ready to put everything back, simply reverse the steps we just covered. Ensure all clips snap securely and screws are tightened appropriately. Once everything is reassembled, reconnect your car battery's negative terminal. Then, turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test all the radio's functions to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.